Welcome. In front of me is Realme C51, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we want to navigate into settings. Actually, quicker way would be to pull down our notifications and find the hotspot toggle. Oh, there we go. It's on a third page right over here. So once you see it, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now in here, you want to start off most likely by selecting the hotspot password, which by default will be randomly generated. I recommend completely removing it, just because it is a little bit garbage and hard to remember it. And once you remove it, you can set up your own. It will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, click on OK to change the password. Now there are a couple additional things in here. So going back, we have, or down, we have AP band, we have 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Now quickly touching upon this, the 2.4 gigahertz will be used by basically any device that can connect to Wi-Fi, while the 5 gigahertz will be a faster connection, but it won't be supported by every device. So only newer devices will be able to use it. Now newer, I am still referring to like 5-year-old devices or more. So it is already a pretty old technology, but I'm just mentioning this. So if you could choose that option, the 5 gigahertz, and your device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with just simply does not see the hotspot that you created once it's enabled, obviously, then just know that this device most likely doesn't support 5 gigahertz, and to solve that problem you need to go back here and change it back to 2.4, at which point it would solve your problem. Then below that we have turn off hotspot automatically. I recommend keeping that on, as personally I tend to forget about things like this when I enable things, and hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running, and if you forget about it, this will basically save you and turn it off for you. And that's really all the settings that I recommend changing right here. So we can close this, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, find the toggle, and this time around just simply tap on it. And you're good to go. Your hotspot is now enabled, and you can connect to it. Now, like I mentioned before, hotspot consumes more battery, so if you remembered about it, you can just turn it off yourself by clicking on it like so, and it's now off. And obviously if you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you, assuming that setting is still toggled on for you. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.